Welcome back to Global Knowledge Factory. Before we start, be sure to subscribe for more amazing videos. She enjoys dash novels in her free time. A. Reading. B. Read. C. Reads. D. To read. Answer is A. Reading. I don't like coffee dash tea. A. Or. B. And. C. But. D. So. Answer is C. But. The car is dash to drive. A. Too fast. B. Very fast. C. So fast. D. Fastly. Answer is A. Too fast. I am interested dash learning a new language. A. On. B. At. C. In. D. With. Answer is C. In. The concert was cancelled dash the heavy rain. A. Due to. B. Because. C. Because of. D. Owing to. Answer is A. Due to. We are going to the beach dash have a picnic. A. To. B. For. C. At. D. On. Answer is B. For. My cat is afraid of dogs dash other animals. A. But. B. Or. C. And. D. Because. Answer is A. But. The meeting will start dash 2 p.m. dash 3 p.m. A. From. Until. B. At. To. C. Between. And. D. At. Until. Answer is D. At. Until. She will sing a song dash the party. A. In. B. At. C. For. D. With. Answer is C. For. I don't have dash time to finish the project. A. So. B. Too. C. Enough. D. Very. Answer is C. Enough. My favorite season is dash. A. Summer, B. In summer, C. At summer, D. On summer. Answer is A. Summer. The cat is sleeping dash the couch. A. In, B. On, C. Under, D. Between. Answer is B. On. I will call you dash I arrive. A. Before, B. Until, C. When, D. Since. Answer is C. When. My sister and I dash to the same school. A. Is going, B. Going, C. Goes, D. Go. Answer is D. Go. Please pass me dash salt. A. The, B. An, C. A, D. Some. Answer is D. Some. E is dash then his sister. A. Tallest, B. The tallest, C. Taller, D. More tall. Answer is C. Taller. They went to the park dash play basketball. A. For, B. To, C. In, D. At. Answer is B. To. The weather is nice dash we will have a picnic. A. So, B. But, C. Because, D. And. Answer is A. So. I didn't see your message dash I checked my phone. A. Until, B. When, C. While, D. So. Answer is A. Until. She enjoys dash in the garden. A. To work, B. Working, C. Work, D. Worked. Answer is B. Working. Dash you like to go to the movies. A. Does, B. Is, C. Do, D. Will. Answer is C. Do. Thanks for watching and wait for the next video.